No one. Say hi. Say hi, no one. No one. Say hi. Say hi nga le. I'm going to boat. Ano? I'm going... Yo! So we got here 2 babies. I mean, in fact, 3 babies. We got here Ade, the girl. We got here no one, the boy. And we got here Alicia.
Negro.
Sa labas.
Talagang negro na nga eh.
Asan si Mama Ben?
Wow! Magagalit ang ina mo. Tignan mo yung damit mo. Ha? Ang hirap magpalinis ng puti.
Kawawa naman maglalaban yan. Kawawa naman yung maglalaban yan.
Kayat ko. Sasabihin ko na sana.
They are friends and sometimes they are friends and sometimes they love to fight. Yes. So there's like so much crying around. Especially Adeline. Adeline the girl, she cries literally a lot. She's fragile. She's fragile of ano. No one! No one! Sino ako? Sino ako? Ha? Sino ako? Kaya ako? Sino ako? Sino ako? Ako si... Oh, nalapa na. Ako si... Zach! Ako si Zach. Sabihin mo nga, Zach. Sabihin mo nga, Zach. Bala ka na. That butterfly later is... I need to get that butterfly. I need to counterattack it. Dang it! I'm going to jump here to there, okay? That same butterfly. No! 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Okay. Yung cardboard.
Ay, si Kuya Sak! Ay, si Kuya Sak! Kuya Sak ba yan? Ha? Kuya Sak yun, no? Saan ikaw galing, Kuya Sak?
So in fact, I'm actually a Filipino and I'm famous. I'm famous in the heck? I'm famous. I'm famous in this, thing. I'm in San Mateo. I'm in Philippines and San Mateo is in Rizal. And I'm popular in San Mateo. I mean Santa Ana. I'm popular to no one. Hello, no one. He even knows me. The heck? Look at that house. It only has a wall. See, it's a fake house. It's a fake house. It doesn't have any loob or It's so hard to spot it, but I'm going to do some. Yay! Hey! Ah! Ah! Where are you, butterfly? I want a butterfly. I want a butterfly, and I want to fly. No one has collected more. Ah, okay, baby. Ooh, this. Oh, Jesus. God. Kahapon kasi may nararamdaman masakit yung ulo ka. Lalo ni mama masakit pa din ulo ko kaya hindi ako pumasok. Bibidyo kayo? Hindi bibidyo. Baby! 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 Ganyan ka din, baby. Pag hindi mo alam, ipopost ko nga to sa YouTube na ayun ang bahay namin, ayun, yan nga. Yan nga. Kita ko naman. Dito drawing ako. Hangin. Abot wifi nyo dito? Abot wifi nyo dito? Wala kayong wifi. Yung itlog ko! Naman ako ni Abis. Ibis paint. Ibis. Asan na yung butterfly? Ayun. Kanina ko pa yung nakikita. Ayun. Butterfly. Nakita ko yung butterfly dito. Nawawala. Huwag kayo mag-away Lagi na kayo nag-away Ay, bis. Ibig paint. Magkukuk ako. Oh. Natapakan niya.
Ano nakakayak? Madumi? Sinelak niya, Jen? Okay, pinakabay mo na to. Pwede na nawan, umiyak siya kasi nalaglag siya sa kanal.
Nalaglag yung paa niya sa kanan. Buti pa to. Hindi pa marunong maglakad. At saka,
Kadiri.
kaka-baby pa ang nasa labas na
Kadiri. Yari.
Hello? Parang pagod ka. Hindi ka nasa mood ngayon Siguro weird tong... Weird to? Weird ba to? Ang ilaw. Ito, baba natin. Walang dilim! Ayaw ko yun. Yan. Yeah, yeah. Wow, this is this. Ah. A lot of farmers and stuff are going on here, so look. There's a man farming. Not Aura farming, okay? Oh, I'm really sick today. Well, not really. Just coughing. You know. Ano ulit yung tawag doon? Kalimutan ko. Should probably end it here. Like for part 2. And subscribe for a legendary video. See you. And goodbye. Goodbye. Wait lang. Ay, Lawan. Ano ginagawa mo? Gubana, okay?
Yan,
Goodbye.